Glendale Corporation can now boast the state's biggest amount of solar panels. News 9's Jamie Baker has the story.
Tecnocap in Glendale may just look like an ordinary building, but up top is actually the biggest installation of solar panels in the entire state of West Virginia. A few years ago, it was realized that Tecnocap's 220,000 square foot roof would need to be redone. It wasn't going to be a cheap or easy job. That's when the company started considering the best bang for their buck, and they landed on solar panels.
We come out studying the incentives available in the country here at federal level and also the state level, and it came out to be also economically sustainable, and so we decided to go live.
The roof is now adorned with 1,709 panels, which will generate approximately 1/3 of the building's consumption. It will likely save the company about $150,000 a year to start, with a more exact amount being known after a few years.
The return on investment can be calculated after you plug in all the incentives in 5 years, around 5 years. So it is sustainable. It is another message that we want to give the community. We are here to stay.
Tecnocap says this is not a short-term investment and shows that Glendale is where they will stay. It's also a way to save some money while helping the environment.
The sun rises every day. Usually, if it's not, let's say, the state, the most sunny place on the planet, but again, it's something that makes sense.
Tecnocap says they hope this begins a trend in the state of West Virginia when it comes to solar energy. In Marshall County, I'm Jamie Baker for News 9.